It's a 0.3% cut on the Nifty after a 4% rally last week. So keep that in mind. And broader market, by the way, still far more stocks higher than lower. So about 1,800 stocks up and about 1,000 stocks lower. That's the final tally that we will see at the end of today's session. So on the downside, I mean, actually just three names with 2% plus losses: Grasim, Zomato, that is Eternal, and Infosys. That's it. Actually, the IT pack underperformed. I mean, with the small losses, Tech Mahindra down 1.3, TCS down, Wipro down, but all with in excess of 1% cuts. On the upside, on the Nifty, there was only one noticeable big mover, that is Bajaj Auto, and Bajaj did very well. There was also Shriram Finance and Power Grid with gains in excess of 1%. So it was a pretty subdued kind of session, but no such problems for the broader market with lots of movers and shakers.
Well, IT's had a rough day today. Remember, the US futures are pointing to a negative start after Moody's downgraded the US economy. So that's having some impact on IT names like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Wipro, all down over 1%. Grasim is the top loser, and that's seen a cut of nearly 3%. And other drags included Tata Consumer, Asian Paints, Dr. Reddy's, and even big boy Reliance Industries dragged 8th Street.
Absolutely. I mean, it was quite a lackluster day for the large cap screen. Mid caps, if you're looking out for some gainers, then there were the result players like Delivery. What a move from that stock, 10% higher. Divi's, NBCC, all these stocks were neither on earnings or positive news flow. They did fairly well. But then on news flow, you had the casualties of the day. Protean down 20%, Vodafone Idea 8%, Credit Access Grameen 7%. And of course, the cooling off on a lot of defense stocks. Examples being Paras Defense ending about 5% lower. There was Mazgaon Dock down about 2.5–3%, Cochin Shipyard, Solar Industries, Data Patterns. Many of these stocks losing some ground, not falling too much, but down 2–3% for sure. So that's how it has played out. The gainers tally included some more names like Alembic, something like Aarti Pharma, Suven Life Sciences. So a couple of these names managed to buck the trend. But otherwise, a fairly cautious day of trade and a quiet start to the week. Well, with that, it's curtains on this edition of Closing Bell. Many thanks for watching, but don't go away because we have Markets Forward coming up next.